Good morning, class. I have given a brief explanation on preposition. Now, today we are going to start with the chapter 21 prepositions. Before starting with the exercise, let us go through these sentences and the definition of preposition. A word that shows the relation of one thing to another in a sentence is called a preposition. I repeat, a word that shows the relation of one thing to another in a sentence is called a preposition. If you look at the examples given here, let us learn about some more prepositions. We go to school every day. Here, the preposition to is showing us the relation between we and school. The action of going to school. It shows the relation between the pronoun and the noun school. We use to when we are talking about a place. When we visit a place, when we go somewhere, when we are referring to a place, we use to. I am standing with Sahil. I am standing with Sahil. With is showing us the relation between I and Sahil. What we are doing. I am standing with Sahil. With is referring to the person with whom you are doing the action of standing. Right? So I am standing with. With is used to talk about the person with whom you are doing an action. Number 3, we are waiting for the bus. We are waiting for the bus. When we are giving a reason, when we are referring to a reason or means, we use for. We are standing in front of a tree. We are standing in front of a tree. When you are referring to something that is in front, means aage. When you are referring to something which is in front of any object, we use in front of. A bird is flying over the tree. Here, the preposition over is showing that the bird is flying over the tree. Over means crossing the tree above the surface of the tree. Right? It is passing through it over the tree. Farah is standing between her father and mother. As you can see, the girl Farah is standing between her father and her mother. She is in the middle of her parents. When something is in the middle of two things on both the sides, we use between. The man is standing by the window. The man is standing by the window. By the window means next to the window, or you can say near the window, right? The dress is made of silk. The dress is made of silk. When we are referring to the some material or of what it is made up of, we use of. The dress is made of silk. Of which material? Of silk. They are smiling at one another. Now, when you are doing any action by looking at someone, we use at. They are smiling at one another. जब आप किसी की तरफ देखकर किसी के साथ बात करते हो, किसी के सामने देखते हो, then we use at. They are smiling at one another. June comes after May. After मतलब बाद में. May, June, July, right? First May comes and then June. So June comes after May. May के बाद आता है. These were some of the sentences. Now let us look at the exercise. Underline the prepositions in these sentences. The boy is playing in the garden. Here the preposition in is used to show the relation between the boy and the garden. The boy is playing in the garden. Garden के अंदर खेल रहा है. In is the preposition. You have to underline in. Number 2, the bird is flying over the tree. As I said earlier, when anything flies over means above the surface of the tree, we use over. ट्री के ऊपर नहीं है पर ट्री के ऊपर से गुजर रहा है, right? Over the tree. Jay sat between Ronnie and Sunny. Between is the preposition. Number 2, over is the preposition. So between is the preposition. Underline that. I already explained you between means in the middle. Please listen to me. Please listen to me. To is the preposition here. The clock is on the wall. The clock is on the wall. Wall के ऊपर है. The dog is sleeping under the table. The dog is sleeping under the table. Table के नीचे. Under मतलब नीचे. So under is the preposition. And here on is the preposition. Our school is near our house. Our school is near our house. Near मतलब close to, नज़दीक में, right? Near मतलब close. So underline near. A cycle is kept under the tree. Cycle is kept under the tree. Under मतलब नीचे. Tree के पेड़ के नीचे रखी है साइकिल, राइट? सो अंडरलाइन अंडर. द कार इज पार्क्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द गेट. कार जो है गेट के आगे खड़ी है. इन फ्रंट, राइट? सो इन फ्रंट इज द preposition. She is writing with a pencil. She is writing with. With means with is referred when you use something. When you mention the use of something. With a pencil. With is the preposition. Underline with. I bought the vegetables from the market. From. From is telling us the place. From where you bought this? From the market. So from is the preposition. Underline it. Jyoti kept her books on the table. On is the preposition. Underline on. The team will reach the ground in the morning. In again in the morning. सुबह को पहुँचेंगे. In is also used to refer a particular period of time. जब हम कोई वक्त बताते हैं कि I will come in the morning, I will see you in the morning, in the evening. So that is showing the time period, right? At that time we use in. The team will reach the ground in the morning. Underline in. She is suffering from fever. From is preposition, underline from. The medicine is for Nisha. For whom, किसके लिए है? For Nisha. For is the preposition, underline for. So this is the exercise that you have to do in your grammar chest. Underline the prepositions and send it to me. Next exercise we'll do it tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.